Hello, classmates. I would like to introduce you to a amazing interactive learning tool. And the interactive tool that I'm introducing you today is TumbleBooks. I am a preschool teacher, so I have to take special care and thought into providing tools that are user friendly for both parent and student and teacher. And TumbleBooks is one that I do recommend. And as you can see, we have TumbleBook Library. There's a teen book cloud, there's Tumble Math, as well as an audio book cloud. What I tend to use is the TumbleBook Library. And as you see, you do have to have a login. Does require a subscription to actually use the site, just like other interactive learning tools. But just to show you, there are a huge variety of resources here, library resources for literacy and language. Here you see a tab for storybooks, read-alongs, graphic novels. There's some videos. There's opportunities for language learning, playlists, and also puzzles. But to give you an idea of how this tool can be used, let's look at one of our author studies that we have is, or a book that we like to use is the book The Dot. And so you can actually type in, or you can go and look through the selection of books. Here is Ish, which is also by Peter Reynolds, but we're going to look at his book, The Dot. So I'm preparing for a lesson that I will use the book Dot. You have the opportunity to play the video, and I'll show you that. And it will read aloud and read the book. Very great, interactive. I'll let you hear a little bit of the actual narration.
Her teacher smiled. Just make a mark and see where it takes you.
So again, this is the book. It's amazing. It's there. It's interactive. There are also games that go along with the book that you can look at. There is a sentence game that you are able to play. So again, it provides you with resources. There are quizzes. So, and as you can see, even with the quizzes, the actual goals as well as the learning pieces are there for you. Also, there's the lesson plan, and you can have your objective and what you plan to do with it and how you want to teach it. It is just amazing. And at the end, you can also develop a report based on your grades. There's K through 3 or 4 and up, and it will differentiate for you based on what grade level or audience that you are teaching. So again, this is TumbleBooks. I think it's something that, as you can see, you can use in a wide variety of grades. It's easy for the parents to use. It's easy to be used by the teachers. And again, the resources are innumerable. And that also the Common Core. There's a Common Core portal where you can look at the reading and literature Common Core objectives for each grade. So this is an amazing interactive tool, and I hope that it's something that you may enjoy or may think about using in your classroom.